Kicking things off with a stream of fuel towards both our red and blue alliance hubs, and that nice, neat rectangle of fuel immediately demolished by robots in the neutral zone. Looks like Chillout's going to end their autonomous vaguely near the red trench, but up against one of our field elements. Live score of autonomous just in favor of the blue alliance by just a little bit. 30-22. That means they've scored more fuel in autonomous, so our first offensive shift will go to the red alliance. That shift on now. Looks like all three red alliance robots, however, looking to score some additional fuel from the neutral zone. Chill Out now unstuck. They sweep fuel along the back wall underneath the trench towards their alliance side. So it's going to be Bearcat, it appears, on the red side, scoring some fuel in the final moments of that red shift. They've narrowed the gap down to just 6 pieces of fuel, and here come the Blue Alliance teams now. Humans launching fuel towards their hub. A couple of pieces go in, they add to their score. Here comes 8051, a Tank Rex in the blue and purple lights. They grind up against that tower, getting pushed against by 3826 Surf. 3826 continuing the defense here, as now they get shoved over the bump and back into neutral territory they go. Miso Mechanics, they ramp up and over the red bump. They're now in red territory, pushing up against Bearcat. We've seen them be the strongest offensive power here of this red side, scoring most of the fuel through that red hub. And they spend the rest of that shift getting defended against. No fuel scored in the hub on that turn. Blue Alliance hub active again. Surf continuing to score, or push defense rather, against Tank Rex. They push them all the way out to center field. And here comes Surf again. Now they have their eyes set on 488 Team Xbot. Final whistle blows just under 30 seconds, actually now about 22, for both Alliance hubs to be active. Surf continuing to push against Tank Rex. Both of those robots at center field. Now against the front wall they go, as Tank Rex, well, they briefly escaped out to their own territory, but back out to neutral they go. Bearcat scoring some final fuel in the direction of the red hub. Unfortunately, it looks like some of that did not go in, and we end the match with 3 robots, 2 blue and 1 red, out in center field. Referees give the thumbs up on those scores, so up on the big board. Victory to the Blue Alliance in that match. 55-34 the final tally, and a fairly close match, and free making points again go to the victors, the Blue Alliance, as Xbot and Tank Rex move up in the ranks.